Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to set up your CBI time switch using an easy method. First, let's get familiar with the switch's main parts. Always remember to disconnect the power supply before you start any wiring to ensure your safety. Next, locate the specific terminals for your load and power connections. This initial step is crucial for a successful and safe installation process, so take your time to identify everything correctly. Now that your switch is wired, let's program the current time and day. Use the designated buttons to adjust the hours and minutes precisely. Make sure to select the correct day of the week. If your switch operates on a 12-hour clock, double-check the AM or PM indicator to avoid scheduling errors. Getting these settings right ensures your time switch functions exactly when you need it to, providing reliable control over your connected devices. With the time and day set, it's time to schedule your on and off periods. Use the programming interface to input when you want your device to turn on. Then, set the specific time for it to turn off. Many CBI time switches offer multiple program slots, allowing you to create different schedules for various days or specific needs. This flexibility helps you automate your devices efficiently, saving energy and adding convenience to your routine. Finally, let's look at some advanced features and important tips. Many CBI time switches include options like a random mode for security or holiday settings to override regular schedules. After programming, always test your switch to confirm it's operating as expected. This ensures everything is working correctly and gives you peace of mind. For more great content and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check out the description below. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.